Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 4 for October 2024 Patreon STL files. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and some figures as well. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And the links that we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So we have Anime Girl STL. October will be Kirikar from Kekiguri. Do not know where that is from. Looks like that'll be for the October one. Cyberforge miniatures. Some of these will have some of the proxies for um, Warhammer, and you have a cyberpunk theme as well. If you do play that, kind of grotesque looking Doctor. And we have the Sister Sortas as proxies with two lovely tanks for your proxy needs. So that's actually pretty good. Yeah, I never get sick and tired of getting proxies for my armies. Any of your terrain pieces as well. Next is Flesh of God. This is another dark, like Elden Ring style miniatures for D&D. The Cursed Tomes. So we have heroes of NPCs. We have different library, Cursed Librarian, Sorcerer, the Gray, the Cat. We have a Warlock, another Warlock, another Warlock. Heroes NPC. Oops. You have your enemies as well. And you have your larger enemies. And you have your gargantuan enemies. It looks like a Cthulhu, the great old one. Dark Mother, that's probably good for Slanesh. And Bold Effigy. And your diorama. And your bust. And your throwbacks as well. Wicked, they already came out with their September one for Ghostbusters. They haven't gotten that. And all the extra stuff. I don't know what they're going to be for September. I mean for October because it's usually Marvel related. Go check them out. So I think we might have Marvel Zombie for next month. Psylocke and Zombie Spider-Man. Okay, 3D art guy. Let's see here. Yeah, I think this is this month. Warhammer proxies as well. I think that's supposed to be Horus, but I don't know. A lot of freaking armory. Looks like this is a dreadnought. This might be a dreadnought as well. It is pretty huge. Part of a dreadnought. Looks like a. Oh, this is that freaking ship that the orcs made out of the freaking planet of the asteroid and they go around. That's actually pretty cool. Of it as well. You have that. The gunner. I think some of these are the old ones as well, but yeah. Yeah, that'll be pretty much it for those three. Glad miniature. This is another D&D. Spoiler for October. So we got some elves and halflings. Or gnomes. Look like gnomes more than halflings. For it. Glad. Ready for this month. Berserk is the same as Wicked, but this is DC. Looks like they block a lot of stuff. You may want to check out their Facebook or Twitter. I just see their other things as well. DM Stash, another D&D stuff as well. Another horror, Sir Crumbling Corpse Mound, Vampire Knights, Lord of Coven, Cleric of Gembly, Werewolf Knight, Abominable Werewolf. We got a Wendigo, Vampire Thralls, 11th Sun, Vampire Hemomancer, Werewolf Warriors. And these are really good miniatures as well. Looks pretty damn good. Next one is Great Grimoire. There are many. Looks like having these two plus more. I know that for a fact. You're just gonna have to wait for more to come. Pirate Puppet War miniature. They do a lot of Warhammer. Like this is for like for last month for September, but usually you won't see any of them till like beginning end of the month to see what they really have. Gumlock is another Warhammer proxy as well for fantasy and 40k. So there's a 40k. We got a Chaos Cult, the Demon Prince. We have a what you call it, a Lurker for Tyranids and Space Marine, and you have your tanks up on top as well. For fantasy, looks like we're getting orcs. These are probably for the old world, and these will probably be for Age of Sigmar. But I think you can do vice versa, mix and matches it. We got the Tomb King ones with the chariot, and dwarves, and orcs, and orc riders, and we got that as well. So pretty good for a lot of stuff for if you're a Warhammer fan for proxies. Lost Kingdom miniatures and other Warhammer proxies a lot of times. This is probably going to be for the old world for the elves, how they look like and everything else, but I don't know. Probably elves or dark elves proxy you can make it, or just regular D&D stuff as well. They look like more like dark elves than anything else for it. Making Talon, another terrain for not Warhammer, for D&D. They're doing actual Wizard's Tower, and that is actually going to be pretty cool to play once you're able to print it. It's like, looks like it's 3 floors with this thing as well. So Wizard's Tower. Mammoth Factory miniature, another D&D style miniatures as well. We have the Fat Dragon, and we have the Crocs, and the Bugbear, and the Goblins, and the Hobgoblins. Different variety of Goblinoids and reptiles as well, and Frog the Dragon, the Devourer. Also, that's September. I don't know what October is going to be, if they release October yet. October Road Show. Looks like some kind of Tyranid. So we have Rogue style swashbuckler. Huh. I'm kind of interested and intrigued. This is the previous for Roadshow. So this is the preview what's going to be coming out of the Mammoth. Don't know what the full thing is going to look like, but I can't wait to see it once it's done. Balskar, another D&D. Sometimes they do stuff for Warhammer proxies. You can probably make this as part of your Slanesh or your Night Haunts and stuff like that. But yeah, all female, big old biddy, comes up nude as well. Miniatures Blueprint. Then we're getting Black Wukong, the Monk, 2 monks, and the Wukong as well. TPK Labs. That's September. Anything for October? Previews for October. So we gotta have a witch, a hag. Looks like some type of reaper for it, and a horror tree as well. 3D Moon. This is a figure. We are getting Faye Valentine and Mai. And What else are we getting for October? Oh yeah, and a la carte housing as well. That'll be actually really fun to play around with. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.